on Bless It Be, I'm going to show you how to set up a protection candle. So for this little protection working, you need a black candle, or a small black candle, or one like this that I've made, and it needs to have black wax, so for absorbing that negativity, and then sprinkle around the outside some rosemary, and sprinkle a little bit on the candle as well if it's like this one. Just make sure it's not too close to the flame, and don't put too much herbs on the candle, because the more herbs you put, the more of a fire hazard your candle will be, so you've got to be careful. I haven't got any black pepper loose, so I'm just using some black pepper out of a grinder. So I've put a ring of black pepper around it as well. And I'm going to arrange some cloves around in a rough sort of pentagon shape, like so. I felt that one clove was a bit too small, so I've replaced it. There we go. Then I'm just popping to get a couple more ingredients that I want to add. You can add whatever you want to this working, whatever you feel works towards protection and protecting the home. I've got, like I said, I've got rosemary so far sprinkled all the way around, and black pepper. Now I'm adding a little chamomile to bring calm to the home, just to make sure it maintains the calm, relaxing atmosphere. And what I'm doing is I'm holding each ingredient and saying what I want the ingredient to do. The ones like the rosemary and stuff I've already done off camera, that's why I just sprinkled them on. But you tell each herb, each ingredient that you add, why you're adding it to the working. And then what I'm doing now is I'm just charging up the crystal. I'm just saying a few words about what the purpose of the candle is. You can make this rhyme, but it doesn't have to. And you can say whichever things you want to say, and then put your energy into the candle and do the sign of the pentagram around it, and then you light your candle and leave that to burn. You don't have to burn it right down. What you can do is, whenever you feel that the atmosphere in the home needs a little bit of a refresh, a little bit more cleansing and protection brought into it, then what you can do is light this candle whenever you feel you need, because obviously a candle this big is going to last many hours. So the purpose of me setting it up like this is, what I can do is, whenever I feel I need to refresh the wards around the house, I can light this candle. And what you need to remember though is, if you're going to use a candle and sort of use it repeatedly, what you need to do is snuff out the candle, don't blow it out. If you blow it out, think of it as like blowing the spell away. So what you do is you snuff it out, and then you can relight the candle and carry on from where you left off. And I tend to light this of an evening when I'm feeling quite relaxed, and I want the home to feel quite relaxed as well, and also just to make sure, you know, from the day there's been no negativity brought into the home from outside, from when you've been to work or been out and about doing whatever you do during the day. You want to make sure, you know, it might be that someone's made you cross that day, it might be you've been frustrated, and this is a way of remembering not to bring that into the home and to maintain that sort of positive atmosphere. And also, if any negative energies or anything you feel have been brought into the home, it's to help protect the home and clear those negative energies, and just create that nice, calm, relaxing atmosphere while adding to your protections for your home. And I tend to leave this burning probably about, I don't know, half an hour at a time, but you don't have to do it that long. You can have it burning for longer if you like, it's up to you. But remember, don't blow it out, snuff it out, and then you can keep reusing it. And I'll keep using this until the candle is burnt down. You know, I'll keep relighting it whenever I feel I need to, and this will last quite a while. And what I tend to do is sometimes I'll just refresh the herbs whenever I feel it needs it, and that's how I do a protection candle and a protection working, just to boost the wards and protections for the home and to encourage that nice calm atmosphere. So yeah, and you can add whatever you want to this, by the way. I usually add a bit of lavender as well, for that sort of creativity and also bringing love into the home. And also sometimes I add rose petals as well. It depends what you want to add. For me, for this one, it was more about making sure I feel calm, hence the chamomile, and obviously feel protected, hence the rosemary, the black pepper and the cloves. So you can tailor it to whatever you wish. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be. Bye for now.